Don't say very spicy, say fiery. Don't say very tasteless, say bland. Don't say very sour, say tangy. Don't say very sweet, say sugary. Don't say very soft, say mushy. Don't say very cold, say chilled. Don't say very salty, say briny. Which new word was your favorite today? Tell me in the comments.
Don't say remove the lid, say take off the lid. Don't say remove the charger, say unplug the charger.
Don't say remove the jacket, say take off the jacket.
Don't say remove the sticker, say peel off the sticker.
Don't say I don't understand, say could you clarify? Don't say how are you, say how's it going?
Don't say I don't know, say I have no idea. Don't say can you repeat that, say come again.
Don't say thank you, say I appreciate it. Don't say sorry, say I apologize. Don't say nice to meet you. Say it's my pleasure to meet you.